unboxing. In today's video we actually have a parcel. I don't think I've actually unboxed a parcel on here. My name's actually called Unboxit, so you know. So I'm so excited. We need to unbox it right now, so let's get started. Oh, who cares? Guys, look at this. We have a parcel right now. There we go. So you're probably like, what is this? Well, not to fear, because I'm going to tell you. So guys, this is actually a lazy arm holder, and it's meant for bedtime. So when you're going to sleep, you're supposed to clip this onto your bed, and then what it will do is you can just hold your phone in this bit here, which there's a clamp for in the bag down there. But basically, I bought this to record my videos with, because at the moment you're seeing this view here. But what I actually want you to see is the view from here. This is the other angle that you can see. Look at how wide we have. This is everything that we can see. Look how great our videos are going to be now. So guys, we have this here. Now we need to attach the clamp onto this bit. So I'm just going to go get the clamp and we'll do that straight away. We got the clamp out of this bag. It's in its nice little own bag. And this should be there to actually hold our phone in place when it's looking down here. So this is actually an upgrade to improve my videos for you guys. So I'm guessing I just put it, okay. Oh, there you go. And now screw it on. Yep. So you can move it about, not very well, but enough. This is pretty stiff, which I'm kind of thankful about, because you don't want it to flop down when it's holding your phone. Maybe it might become less stiff once I use it a bit more, but hopefully that will not happen. So the clamp is, it looks pretty big. I mean, you can hold probably a large phone. I'm not sure. There you go, that's fully extended right now. So here we have the clamping mechanism. It's got some little rubber bits so it doesn't scrape the table. You can screw this bit. Guys, I got it. You have to unscrew this bit here. Then what happens is you push that bit up. So unscrew, then push it up to where you want it to be. But I'm going to have mine about there, I guess. Then what you do to stop it from moving, you just put this here, and obviously because there would be a surface underneath it, it wouldn't like go down any further, and you can just tighten it to your surface. Then you can put your phone down. So really this is actually used for just not having to hold your phone in bed. So guys, here we have some actual rubber grips so it doesn't damage the phone at all or anything. Hopefully these look pretty soft, so they won't damage the phone. The clamp is a bit weird because this bit here is underneath the actual arm, so it's kind of hard to open. It opens very well and is not too stiff. It's not hard to open. You can move it around quite a bit, but if you're wanting to get a full view, that's not something for it. But it would be great for bedtimes and what I'm using it for. Like I said, it's pretty stiff to unwind. It goes up pretty far right now. The end is here, and here's where the clamp is. So, I mean, it's probably the width of my arms. And you can compact it out very smallly if you bend it into a circle. So you can compact it down to about this big, like I said. Pretty small, apart from this sticky outy bit here. Yeah, that's a bit annoying. But, oh well, it's pretty small. Basically the size of my palm. So guys, the actual cord feels kind of rubbery, and you can feel that there's some sort of metal inside of it. The rest of it is plastic though. This is plastic, this is rubber, the red bit is rubber, but everything else is plastic. So it kind of gives it an unprofessional feel, but I suppose plastic is like the only material you could use. But I would say that this feels very sturdy. I'm moving this bit here, and this whole bit doesn't wobble. You'd be able to get very steady footage with this. I don't think it will wobble. So guys, for the actual pad, they feel like foam, and they have a bit of indents in them. So I'm guessing this is to add grip, which is a good, nice design. I forgot to say, the plastic is actually matte. There's a few bits that are shiny, such as the rubber bit here, but the rest of it is matte, so that will stop fingerprints from getting on. So guys, I must say, I do like the colour choice of this. This is white, which I say is pretty nice colour. I like the red design here as well. You can get this in black and blue, I believe, and also white like here, but they're all matte colours again, so you don't get fingerprints on it, which is good because all of the other products that we've reviewed have mainly been matte, which you just get fingerprints everywhere. Even this you won't get fingerprints on because it's rubber, so you can't really see them. So guys, overall, I think this product is really good. It's very sturdy. This bit here is very sturdy, so I don't think your phone is going anywhere, which is very good, I'd think, in my opinion. All the other products we've unboxed have been glossy, and this one is matte, so we don't get our fingerprints on it like I said before. This bit here is rubber, so it just encases the metal cable inside so it doesn't stick out or hurt you. The screwing mechanism I think is a bit weird, but it's okay. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's to live for. This product is only £5, and I think this is a great price. I mean, look at how big it is, look at the build quality, and just look at all of this. The red aspects here, the white aspects here. This is a really good product for the price, just £5, and you can find it in the link in my description. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, then why not leave a thumbs up down below. If you really enjoyed it, subscribe by hitting that big red button. And also comment down below what you'd like to see me unbox next. And that is all from me. I will see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much. See ya.